Hey everybody, this is Harley from Bonehead Assassins. I went to record a cooking video with my new cooker today, and the it didn't the steaks turned out terrible, so I decided not to do that. And while I was deleting the videos that I just recorded, I found an old video from a couple of years ago of when I witnessed two bucks fighting one buck, and after they beat him up, uh, after they were separated, uh, it was weak enough that I got up there next to it, and I was able to stab it, and with a pocket knife. So I don't have it on me. I was going to show you. Well, you'll see the knife I used in the video, but so I'll go ahead and show you that right now.